Hey guys and gals, Jim back here. I wanted to give a little information on the Star Destroyer model kit that I've noticed in some comments that I read throughout different videos and things like that. There's a lot of people that are, have questions of this kit and stuff. I mean, it is small, but the detail, it makes this kit well worth getting if you're really into building Star Trek models. Star Wars models, not Star Trek, and especially the Star Destroyer. I mean, there's nice kits out there and stuff, that Revell build and play, even though it was a kid's kit. You can really turn that into a super detailed model and light it up. It just takes a lot of work to do. But it is a very nice and well-detailed model. So, but in the case of this one, I read a lot of comments, what about light leaks? Did you have to use optics? As far as I'm concerned, no. The way this model is engineered to get the lighting to all the areas, you could almost say it's an inner skeleton. They got pieces that, I didn't do a review on the part by part, taking it out of the box and everything, but there's pieces you don't have to even do any inner light blocking like you do on most kits that you light with these. I've already had a couple LEDs in here just to see if I would need any locking or if there were any light leaks, but there's not. It's got like inner pieces that run on the top and bottom that channel the light through all the side trench areas and stuff, and it's pretty much, they hold the LEDs in place. If you buy the lighting kit, if you use your own LEDs, they'll work the same way, but no, you don't have no light shining through. Even though it's just snapped together and not pressed together tight and glued, I didn't have no light in the side trenches as far as where the top and bottom seams are. I do glue my kits so they're snapped together and a real nice friction fit. As far as seams for light leaks, that superstructure, it consists of numerous parts. You can't see the seams where the parts join the way Bandai designed this. And what they did with a lot of the parts where they fit together, they've got like an inner step, like an overlap, kind of on the order of the Klingon Katinga from Polar Lights and the TOS Enterprise. When the parts fit together, they were almost like a you could call it like a tongue and groove almost. Where the one fit inside and it had a little lip that fit inside to kind of cover the seam from the inside, so you wouldn't have no light leaks. On the back of the neck that holds up the bridge, there's almost like a complete inner part in there. It's the real shiny whites that are like highly polished to spread the light. But it's almost the same thing as the parts. It just fits inside of there, and it only lets certain things, light up. And so it's almost like you could say it's got a skeleton inside with the outer skin outside, as far as which is the visible model and stuff. So no, there are light leaks. I didn't have to worry about any kind of seams. I didn't have any seam at all to do. And I didn't have to do any light blocking whatsoever. So in fact, certain things on this, they give you little stickers. If you're wondering what that little sticker sheet is, certain parts are reflective to help spread the light, like up in the front area, and others they give you stickers that actually light block, like the little landing bay up in the front that they don't want light coming through the seams on that, so that sticker covers it up, and I didn't have any issues. So I just thought I'd share that information on this kit. It's the way it's engineered is remarkable in itself. They put a lot of research and engineering into this kit, the way it's lit. And this is the standard kit without the light kit. The only difference between this and the lighted kit that you pay about $1 more for, this one doesn't come with the light kit. That's the only difference. Otherwise, it's the model. So there's a clear part which fits inside all the engine nozzles, and there's a few LEDs in the back. You got one on each side, one there. That's what lights up the engines and stuff. So it's kind of like the same how they designed it, where you put the LED up against the clear parts that they molded for all the different little spotlight stuff, and it disperses the light through all the little openings and stuff. So yeah, hopefully answers anybody's question that's kind of curious about this kit. Is lighting it on their own if they're going to have to worry about light leaks and stuff, and it's going to work the same way if you buy the it's like I said, it's the same basic kit. So other than that, that's it. You guys have a good day. Enjoy your Thanksgiving dinners. Eat like a eat like crazy, and then you can start the diet tomorrow till next year again. So till the next time, thanks to all my subscribers. Thanks for all the comments you guys been leaving me. Thanks for like buttons, and we'll be talking to you soon. Till the next time, have a good day. Stay safe out there and all that. I know there's bad weather in many areas in the country. Plus people that like to do it up a little bit and hit the road when they shouldn't. But stay safe out there, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.